Growing a career as a content developer has been a very interesting aspect. So, what are the things you need to keep in mind before you think about starting a career as an academician, as a content developer? So, first of all, a very important thing that you need to keep in mind is to remain updated. Now, what does it mean? It means that every time, let's say the time when I qualified some of my exams and the time those exams are being held now, the syllabus has changed completely. There has been new additions, new updates. So it's very very important that you are updated. Unless and until you are updated with what is happening around, how the things have been changing, how the globe has been changing, and you are not able to adjust yourself to the new situations, you won't be able to sustain as a good academician. So be very very concerned about the fact that you remain updated with your subject, with the content, and the information that you have must always be dynamic in nature. What does that mean? The concepts that you have understood, the very factual, the very basics of the very fundamentals of anything are fine, that are must, those are the groundbreaking understanding for the subject, but later on you have to top that up with the basic happenings. So being actively engaged with various activities in your field, being a part of the various activities that are related to your profile are really important. So let's say if you are an educator, if you are a tutor, you need to be very much involved with the things that are going into the market, attending the various conferences, getting latest updated information about the latest technologies, getting a good insight and know-how about how the things have been working is really really important here. The next important thing that we focus on is excellent academics. So indeed, if you want to be into academics, you have to have a strong and excellent academics, and that's a prerequisite. Why do I say so? Because unless and until you have strong foundation, you cannot create strong foundations. So if you want to create a generation of people who have an excellent background, who have an excellent understanding of the concepts, it's very very important that you must have a very good conceptual clarity. So when I say excellent academics, I specifically focus on conceptual clarity. Even with the students landing up to bachelor's and master's programs, there have been very very weak and downtrodden concepts that have been seen. So it's a high time that you must cover your syllabus. Don't sit down and study only as per your exam protocol or the confined syllabus for your examination, but take a step ahead, understand the concept from good references, and try to build up a excellent information base. Once you have an excellent academic base, you would automatically be an excellent teacher as well. The next is developing a strong resume. Now, when it comes to resume, it's beyond academics. When I say beyond academics, that means focusing on your grade examinations or your semester examinations is good, but beyond that, what kind of activities you have been involved with education. So be it the work of editing, reviewing, proofreading, content development, creative writing, blog writing, publications, articles, journals, whatsoever adds to your resume. The better the resume, the better are the chances for being recruited. So stronger resume is definitely a plus plus to your academics. So when I focus specifically on building up strong resume, which is beyond the excellent academics, and that can come only once you have the excellent academics. So all these are the must concerns that you must have or you must go for before aiming or aspiring for a content developer job. And those who want to be part of the exam race team, you are free to drop in your resumes at the email IDs below. Have a wonderful day ahead.